Have you considered how much trading in your car right now might cost you? Recent data reveals a shocking trend. Electric vehicles and even some gas-powered cars are experiencing record-breaking depreciation. Stick around, because in this video, we'll uncover why trading in your car in 2025 might be a financial pitfall, and how you can steer clear of it. Are you thinking about trading in your car this year? Pump the brakes. The automotive market has shifted dramatically, and understanding what's happening could save you a fortune. Whether you're driving an electric vehicle or a gas-powered car, 2025 poses unique challenges for car owners. Let's explore key trends and how to navigate this volatile market without losing your hard-earned money. Car owners looking to trade in their vehicles are facing unprecedented difficulties. Electric vehicles, in particular, have experienced dramatic depreciation, with some models losing as much as 50% of their value in just 1 year. Gas-powered vehicles are also taking a hit. Used car prices have fallen by an average of 6.2%, bringing the typical value to around $27,000, while new car prices hover at a steep $47,000 due to ongoing production costs, limited supply of new models, and increasing demand for advanced features. What does this mean for you? Trading in your car now could leave you with significantly less than expected, potentially straining your finances. For many, trade-ins are a critical step in upgrading to a newer vehicle, and this market downturn complicates those plans. The steep drop in trade-in values can be attributed to several interrelated factors that are reshaping the market. Market saturation. The market is flooded with used cars, especially EVs. High supply and low demand mean prices are plummeting. Economic conditions. With high interest rates and persistent inflation, consumers are tightening their budgets. As fewer buyers enter the market, trade-in values are further depressed. Technological advancements. The rapid pace of innovation, particularly in EVs, is leaving older models behind. Features like extended battery ranges, faster charging times, and advanced software updates make newer models much more desirable, accelerating depreciation for older cars. Additionally, the lingering effects of the global supply chain crisis have caused erratic pricing in both the new and used car markets. This uncertainty has many car owners questioning whether now is the right time to trade in their vehicles. Trading in your car this year could be a costly mistake if you don't approach it strategically. Without a clear understanding of your car's market value, you risk losing thousands of dollars. EV owners are particularly vulnerable, as rapid advancements in battery and software technology make older models less appealing. To make an informed decision, rely on trusted tools like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds for accurate appraisals. You might also consider alternative options, such as selling your vehicle privately or delaying your trade-in until the market stabilizes. A little patience could save you a lot of money in the long run. The 2025 automotive market is fraught with unique challenges for car owners. Dropping trade-in values, rising inflation, and fast-evolving technology make this a tough year to navigate. By staying informed and using reliable tools and resources, you can avoid costly mistakes and make smarter financial choices. Have you recently traded in your car, or are you thinking about it? Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights from CarTunes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.